Here I have Google Pixel 2 and let me show you how to enable unknown sources on the following device. Let's start with swiping up and choose Settings. Okay, let's find Apps and Notifications and slide down to the Advanced. Let's slide down once again and choose Special App Access. Now at the very bottom, here we have Install Unknown Apps, and here we have our applications. We can choose, for example, Gmail. Here we need to check Allow from this source and go back. As we can see, we just allowed unknown sources and applications for the Gmail application. Thank you for watching, subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up under the video.